It's your boy Jacob and your favorite girl Mary Beth. Where we at?
Nolin Lake?
Nolin River Lake. It's really confusing because we got Barren River Lake and Nolin River Lake. And if you try to Google anything about them, you always get the rivers. Except unlike Barren River Lake, where we put in over here, is just up, I guess you could say upriver, although this is the lake part of the dam. So right there, peeking around the corner, is the dam. That's pretty much, I'm pretty sure what Barrens would look like too. These are just earth dams or rock dams. They're not cool concrete ones. Alright, so she bought this thing on the internet.
I got it from Walmart.
Oh, she bought this thing from Walmart. You know, that's where you get all your boating and camping supplies, right? All the best ones from Walmart, all the high quality stuff. It's supposed to make her phone float. So.
Hey, look at that.
It works, but the thing is, as soon as it gets hit by a wake, I was going to push it under.
No.
As soon as it gets hit by a wake, it'll probably drown. Now the question is there any water inside of it now?
We'll have to really find out.
Okay, well now you might want to like leave it either open or closed. I'm sure opening and closing it all the time doesn't help.
Yeah, no.
Friendly neighborhood jet ski is running around, trying to flip us over. But I don't mind, because wakes are fun. Here it comes. Who you texting your other boyfriend?
Yep.
I thought so. Tell him how much more fun you have with me than with him?
Yep.
Cool. Oh, they're wake jumping, Mary Beth. I want a house up on the hill like that. I think that's a cabin, technically. There's a couple houses next to it. And just walk down to the lake, go swimming, or whatever. Oh, there's a house up there, or a cabin. And some construction equipment, it sounds like. There's our little break, I guess you could say rock. It's a big rock with a bunch of little rocks right around it.
I thought it was mud.
And Mary Beth informed us that it drops off suddenly. Because she decided to go out there. But we ate a, what was it called? A cereal bar? It was squished, because Mary Beth squished it. And it was delicious, okay. And so, we came from over there. I looked on the map, and over there just kind of like dead ends. So we're probably going to head out over to the left here.
Fishy.
Where?
It jumped.
I haven't seen a single fish jump. I think you're making it up.
Oh, maybe it was that bird I saw.
That's what I think it was.
That time it was the bird. The rest of them has an actual fish.
Uh-huh. Probably where birds in too, just to see the bird. And I gotta figure out how I am getting off this rock. Because I haven't quite figured out how to get in this boat very effectively without flipping it over.
Hey, tell them to follow my TikTok.
She says follow her TikTok.
Mary Russell 50.
At TikTok.com.
It's 2 L's, 2 S's, and the last name.
You gonna put it on the screen?
Yes.
You are?
My island now. I live. And you're gone. Bye.
There's other paddlers out here today. We're not the only ones. Doggy. I want to pet it. This is gonna be fun.
There they are. Not very strong though.
Eh, still fun. Unless you get seasick.
Huh?
Unless you get seasick.
This is a better one though. Here.
Yeah.
There's another doggo.
Doggies!
I want Kira.
You want to bring Kira kayaking? That's the boat you go skiing behind. I want to go water skiing or wakeboarding. I'd probably suck at it at first, but it'd be fun. Mainly wakeboarding. I'm not that interested in skiing in general. Just ask if we can have a turn. Are you seriously trying to go that side of us? Really? Oh, I want that house.
I like it.
You see the weird triangle windows?
Yeah.
That's what I want. Like big windows like that, that's pretty cool.
Wow.
Yeah, they're bigger when you're closer. Alright, we're headed back now. Looks like she's got a pretty good head start. So it must take us a minute to catch up. Or 5, you know. We gotta try to pump out her trailer for her.
My shirt's mainly with wet is because it was further down inside.
She's unlocked second gear. You're going... No, I'm going the wrong way. I'm about to run into this, whatever. I'm about to run into the earth, I guess you could say. So we're on our way back now. I don't remember the last time I hit the record button. But right over there is where we took our first break. We're going to just kind of skip that and hopefully not take another break, but we're going to just head back now. So we can go over to the left over here. Yep. We're almost back, guys. Oh, run over again. How many times have you run me over? Like 20?
Leave me alone.
Y'all just hit me upside the head. You almost smacked YouTube in the face.
Sorry. Well, I splashed myself. Does that make you feel better?
A little bit.
Take it off. Thank you.
So that's the biggest yoga mat I've ever seen. Okay, let's get away from these rocks a little bit. Might as well stop paddling through these because I ain't getting any ground. Where'd you go? I'm so glad I was filming. It's been like 15 minutes trying to pump water out of here. There's still a bunch in here. But I managed to get in, so we just gotta go around the corner here to the boat ramp. Oh, it says idle speed, Mary Beth. No paddling. Just playing. Yeah, see? You need help? All right, so I made it back after my spill. I walk up this hill. That's where the boats are. So I'm gonna come up here and get the car because that's where the non-handicap parking is. It's up here. Fun day though. Interesting experiences.